Okay, we're looking at types of solutions here. So all we're doing is convert the equations to slope-intercept form, then determine if the solution is one solution, no solution, many solutions. So looking at this, this is the answer key here. I've got no, one, many. Then I've got one, many, no. Then I've got many, no, one. Okay, that's the answer key, so let me move that out now. So if you want to go back and look, if you're just checking answers, that's totally fine. But let's just do the problems real quick so that we have an idea that we have the right idea. How about that? Okay, like we talked about today, you can use your little card for this. The first thing we're checking, of course, is the slope. If that slope is the same, then the next thing we're checking is that y-intercept. So once we see same slope, different y-intercepts, if we check our chart, that means there is no solution. Same thing. First things first, check the slopes. Are the slopes the same? No, they are not the same this time, so that means we have one solution. We don't even have to look at the y-intercept then. And we come back here, let's check the slopes. Slopes are the same. Then checking the y-intercepts. Those are also the same, which means we have the same line. Many solutions. Cool. All right, checking the next one here. Now, what we're doing is we've got one equation that's in slope-intercept form, and we've got one equation that isn't. So these, all of these, we have to turn into slope-intercept form first. So I'm going to add 18x to both sides, and I get 2y equals 18x minus 22, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals 9x minus 11. Okay, so now what I'm comparing is I'm comparing this equation and this equation here. Do I have the same slopes? No! Negative 9 and positive 9 are not the same slopes, so this is one solution. Now we're doing this one. We're going to get this, we want to get that y by itself, minus 32x, minus 32x. And I get 4y, this is a 4, sorry, equals negative 32x plus 16, this was a positive 16 here. Divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. I get y equals negative 8x plus 4. Now I'm checking these two, negative 8, positive 4, positive 4. That means many solutions. Let's look at the next one. We're going to take the x term and move it to the other side. 6y equals negative 24x minus 30. I assume this is going to be no solution, but let's prove it. Divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6. I get y equals negative 4x minus 5. Oh boy. Did I do something wrong? I did do something wrong. This one is a single solution, right? Negative 4, negative 4, negative 5, negative 18. That means one solution. Did I do that wrong? Let's see. Let me go over it again here. Dividing by 6. Dividing by 6. Negative 4. Yeah, that's single solution. So my answer key was off. I bet I revised this in a different sheet and didn't revise it here. Let me look at your sheet real quick. No, you have the same one. All right, that's my mistake. Let's go down here. Now we have nothing in slope-intercept form. So let's just do this one first because it's next to us. Minus 10x, and we get 4y equals negative 10x plus 32, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Y equals, and I'm going to simplify it right now real quick, negative 5 halves x plus 8. That's one. Let's do the other one here. Let me bring this down here. So I've got 5x plus 2y equals 16. 2y equals negative 5x plus 16. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. y equals negative 5 halves x plus 8. Plus 8 plus 8, great. That is many solutions. We have the exact same equation. Same slopes, negative 5 halves, same y-intercepts, plus 8 plus 8. Same thing for this one. I'm doing this out of, let me do this way. Let's add 2x to both sides. We get 6y equals 2x plus 24. Divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6. We get y equals, I'm going to simplify real quick, 1/3 x plus 4. And then this one will start down here. We circle that so I can go back and find it easily. Negative 3x plus 9y equals 27 plus 3x plus 3x. 9y equals 3x plus 27. Divide by 9, divide by 9, divide by 9. Y equals 1/3 x plus 3. 1/3 x plus 3, 1/3 x plus 4. Same slope, different y-intercept, which means we have no solution. Finally, we got this one. Oh, kind of exciting here. So let's do this one. Minus 6x, minus 6x. 3y equals negative 6x plus 53. Remember, that's a positive 53. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. We get y equals negative 2x plus, I'm just going to leave this as 53/3. Because why not? I don't have to change it. Just leave it as positive 53/3. They're both, they don't share a common factor except for one. Let's do this one. 6x plus 2y equals 17. Minus 6x, minus 6x, 2y equals negative 6x plus 17. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals negative 3x plus 17 halves. Same slope, different slopes, which means we have one solution. All right, so I just made one mistake in my key, and that was this one. I don't know what I did there. That seems weird, right? Like I did the math right, and then I chose the wrong solution. That's unfortunate. All right, I will make note of that, because I have the same y-intercept. Wait, what am I doing here? I'm wrong here. Oh my gosh, John. How silly of me. This is no solution. Right? And I wrote my reasoning here. That helped. Negative 4x, negative 5, negative 18, no solution. Yes, I had that right. Silly me. Huh. Well, what are you going to do? Sometimes that's what math is. Sometimes you just make mistakes. That's part of it. All right, good luck. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will do my best to be correct when I help you. All right, guys. Thanks.